Hey guys, I'm Brayden Briggs here with Pella Windows and Doors in Nashville. We're out at a job site here today. I'm working with a customer on this. We have an older home out here in West Nashville. The idea of this project is kind of modernizing a little bit, but keeping in line with the surroundings, keeping in line with the neighborhood. I'm coming over here looking at some of these openings on the house. So you can see they have this, it's a spring line shape. You have a curved product. Obviously not in there anymore doing demo, but what we're doing going back is all this filler up top is going away, and what that's gonna give them architecturally, a little contemporary when you go with more tight, square, clean lines, and that's also gonna elevate your glass space, so it's going to appear bigger, feel a little bigger. You're gonna bring a little more natural light in. So that way you're modernizing somewhat. You're getting a little more bang for your buck as far as glass goes, but it's keeping in with the home, keeping in with the area. All right, coming back to the back of the house here, guys. So you have openings. This here door was a French door in this. Same deal as the front. You have a wood product. We're wanting to match that. So over here, we actually had brick up to the windows underneath, so that's all coming out. Nice thing we're gonna do in this opening, just like you're wanting to do on the front to get your glass place, get your everything that way, bring the light in. We're taking all of this out and putting one big sliding door here. So that's gonna bring in all the light, it's gonna bring the warmth in the home, make the opening actually feel a lot bigger, appear a lot bigger. And then style-wise, same thing we're putting right here. We're putting right here in this opening, so you have the symmetry and all that fun stuff. It all kind of flows, get your feng shui going. So looking at the front entrance here, obviously a lot has changed since the last time we were out here. This will be kind of phase 2. They put doors back in. We have rough openings going in around that for some really large, big picture windows, are really maximizing glass space across the front. That's really the theme here. That's, again, gonna bring it back into a little bit more of a modern feel. It's gonna be a beautiful look when it's all said and done. All right, so coming into the house here, you can see this lovely window wall. Homeowner, we're calling it the atrium room on this. So we have very large direct set windows here. Coming across on this side, same deal, very large direct set windows. And then we're finishing the wall with another sliding door. Same as we did on the other options. You have your upgraded satin nickel hardware here. We're coming back, made a slight design change. They wanted to go taller with it, so we're putting a transom up here to match. It's gonna have the same frame profile as these direct set windows to it, but you can already see just the natural light and everything coming into this house from this side of the room here. Very beautiful. Obviously, we love to see the Pella bullseye on something like this. And coming on over here into these rooms, you can see again, we have very large, fixed, perfect direct set windows. You're maximizing that beautiful natural light you get out here on this property. The warmth in the room, it makes it feel bigger, honestly, in here when you have stuff like this. So looking back here on this side of the house, if you recall from the last time, you had a framed opening here where we had French doors in. And then this is your big change over here. They had a single door, 2 little windows, brick underneath. So all that taken out. You have a nice 8-foot wide sliding door here. You're matching it over here with a slightly narrower sliding door, but the same style, same look. These are our Lifestyle Series product is what we call them. However, the homeowner decided to do an upgraded hardware for these. So we have satin nickel on this. Keeping in, again, just the style of the home, kind of the vision the homeowner had. Beautiful thing about this series is you do have customization available like that. At the end of the day, we can make it whatever you want. Well, hey guys, hope you like what you've seen out here as far as this phase goes. Anytime we're able to pop back out here and kind of see the work we're able to do for a homeowner, see their vision and their dream actually become reality in the house, just makes us feel good about what we do. If this is something you think that you would like to work with us on, have a dream, maybe a vision for your house, feel free to reach out to the showroom. You can always ask for Brayden Briggs. I'm here to help you. And make sure you follow us because we're going to be back here for phase 2 when this is in. And I know you guys want to see how that goes.